Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best clothing irons of 2025. The ones that deliver flawless results, save you time, and make ironing feel way less like a chore. Whether you're looking for professional grade steamers or compact options for everyday use, we've got something for everyone. And don't worry, all the product links are listed down below in the description, so you can easily check them out. Now, let's jump right in. Top 5 Best Clothing Irons in 2025. 5. XMSJ ICR19GS. Take a step toward fighting stubborn wrinkles with the Black Decker One-Step Steam Iron. Designed for maximum efficiency, this iron features an even steam stainless steel sole plate that evenly disperses steam from tip to heel for consistent results. The improved Smart Steam Control uses a single dial to automatically adjust steam output based on your selected temperature, making it easy to care for all types of fabric. For extra moisture control, the spray mist and burst of steam functions are conveniently placed side by side. With a comfort grip handle for longer ironing sessions and a button-operated, spring-loaded cord reel for easy storage, this iron makes tackling wrinkles effortless. Powered by 1200 watts and delivering 18 grams of steam per minute, the Black Decker One-Step Steam Iron offers professional-level performance at home, perfect for everything from shirts and slacks to drapes and curtains. 4. HTN Mini Heat. The HTN heat press machine is the perfect tool for all your heat transfer projects, featuring a larger 2.6-inch by 4.4-inch heating plate that ensures even heating and saves you time. Whether you're customizing t-shirts, hats, handbags, masks, socks, or more, this versatile machine helps you enjoy the fun of making crafts at home. It's a thoughtful gift for birthdays, Christmas, or anniversaries. Designed for efficiency, it heats up nearly 20 seconds faster than other brands and can reach a maximum temperature of 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Made with a durable, ceramic-coated sole plate, it resists high temperatures without deforming. For added safety, the HTN heat press is FCC and UL certified and features an auto-off function after 10 minutes of inactivity. With 3 heat settings, 284 bars, 320 bars, and 356 bars, it easily adapts to all your crafting needs, while the precision tip makes working on hard-to-reach areas simple and convenient. 3. Royal Electric Iron. The Royal Electric Iron 1000 watts is a versatile and powerful household appliance designed for efficient dry ironing without the need for water. Featuring 5 adjustable heat settings, it easily adapts to different fabric types, ensuring smooth and professional results every time. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for both home use and travel, while the consistent high-temperature output also makes it ideal for hot drilling and heat transfer projects. With durable construction and user-friendly controls, the Royal Electric Iron offers reliable performance for all your ironing and crafting needs. 2. Mexi Electric Steaming Iron. Experience the power of a 2200-watt handheld steam iron that delivers strong, consistent steam to penetrate fabric fibers and efficiently smooth out wrinkles, making wardrobe maintenance effortless. Designed for both dry and wet use, this versatile iron features 5 intelligent temperature settings tailored for a variety of fabrics like cotton and silk, ensuring optimal care without the risk of damage. Ideal for business professionals, homemakers, students in dorms, fashion enthusiasts, and frequent travelers seeking convenience and efficiency, it's perfect for quickly ironing shirts and suits, refreshing clothes in hotel rooms, or handling last-minute touch-ups before important events. With its lightweight, ergonomic build and essential safety features like anti-drip protection and automatic shutoff, this steam iron combines portability and reliability, making it an indispensable tool for the modern lifestyle. 1. Alloit DIY Handheld Mini. The DIY Children Electric Iron Versatile Mini Heat Press Machine is the perfect tool for creative projects and quick fixes alike. Designed with rapid heating technology, it instantly smooths out wrinkles, saving you time and effort. Its multifunctional capabilities make it ideal for mosaic beading, rhinestone ironing, decorating children's clothing, heat transfer printing, name labeling, fabric patching, and much more. Thanks to its high-temperature penetration, this mini iron ensures deep, professional quality results without the need for bulky equipment. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry, making it a great companion for both home use and travel. Whether you're personalizing clothing with stickers and logos or adding sparkling embellishments, this mini heat press lets your creativity shine with endless DIY possibilities. And that's a wrap on our list of the top 5 best clothing irons in 2025. Whether you're looking for power, precision, or portability, there's definitely something here for everyone. If you saw an iron you liked, don't forget, all the product links are down in the description to make your shopping even easier. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more top picks, and I'll see you in the next one.